Hello, my friends. In previous video that I posted yesterday, someone asked me a question of how to set up Flutter in VS Code. So if you are in a first time in Flutter, you must watch the video that I put that appears in the top, or I put a link in the description. So if you are in the first time who want to install Flutter, so it will help you. So that video, so I made already how to install Flutter in Android Studio. So some people doesn't like Android Studio. Android Studio is too heavy, so they don't like it. Some computer that's not compatible with Android Studio. Android Studio needs more memory, more RAM. So if you have computer like have 8 RAM, I will not recommend you to install Android Studio. You can use VS Code. It's lightweight and most worldwide editor, first worldwide editor. So how to install it? If I recap it, so first time you go Flutter, you install a Flutter SDK, Flutter SDK. So click this Flutter. So install it manually. You can install on you must install only the this zip file. This is the SDK of the Flutter. It takes 3 GB, 3.2 gigabytes. So you must have a fast internet. Then when you install it, so you must install a Git, not GitHub. So this you must install a Git, and then you must install a VS Code, Visual Studio Code. This is editor that you want to install it. So when you done that and you watch the video that I put in the description, when you uh, did all of the requirements, you come to your VS Code, and then you must install extensions like so. Extension is go to extensions. First time you install an extension called Flutter. This extension, uh, there is 12 million people install it already. So another extension you must install it is the language of Flutter Start. Then when you did that, you press Control Shift B. When you do that, first time use Flutter project. So what do you want of project? Click on project module, package, plugin. We need application. Only you choose application. Then you choose where you put that application in a folder. You can make downloads or desktop. You can put. So I have Android Studio. He already organized me my all projects. So this is the Android Studio projects. I choose this folder. Okay, and then I put the name Flutter new project. New project. Then hit enter. It will create us the whole files that Android and iOS integrated. So we will be waiting. So it's creating. Now still it's working. As you can see, still it's working. Okay. 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 So come to your lib. If you know Android Studio, there is a library. This is the place that you code. You write your code. This is a chart. Okay, I'm gonna close. So to run this project, you go here, terminal, new terminal. So then you said Flutter run. It will give you a bunch of options like a web, Chrome, window. So if I choose like if I choose if I use Chrome, which is the second option, it will be open in a Chrome browser. So now if you have an Android Studio and emulator, you can run your emulator. We will be seeing that. And now it's waiting for connection on the browser. So now it's working, as you can see. So if you want to run Android Studio using Android emulator, you can go. Yo. So I'm gonna show you second thing. So Android Studio sometimes takes a lot of space in your computer. If you see this place, so this is my user. So this is the folders that takes a lot of space to me. So one of them, Android Studio, 7.5 gigabytes. So if I open this folder, it's only AVD. AVD is Android virtual machine. Only I have one virtual machine, and it takes 7.5 gigabytes. So I will not recommend you to, if you have a laptop that lower memory, I will not recommend you to install Android Studio. So now I'm trying to open Android Studio. We will be running the emulator. Okay. Okay. Virtual device. Run this emulator. So now, as you can see, the emulator runs. So this emulator runs. So to run emulator, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop the browser. Okay. So now to run the emulator, simply you run the emulator. You turn on the emulator only. This Flutter detects that the Android emulator is running in the background, so it will open this emulator. So we'll be waiting. Now, now it's running the application. So if you see this warning, there is no error. So just be patient until the application appears in here. Okay. So now it's working, I guess. If I click this button, so as you can see, it's running perfectly. So this is the way that you can set up Flutter in vscode. So if this video helps you, please like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel. So thank you for your watching.